Alt plus R.
Okay, recording in progress. Okay.
Okay.
So anyway, so basically this is a process, okay, that I have conceptualized in my head, right? So the
Mm.
starting point is 10 by 10 and half inch, half foot thick concrete slab. We are not going to build the slab in our plan. We are going to order it and they'll be delivered, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then okay, so then the next thing it'd be like this, some kind of conveyor belt or some kind of rail, right? Not a belt, okay,
Mm-hmm.
on which this 10 foot by 10 foot and half foot thick concrete slab, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now it has to come from somewhere, like from the entry point, it is coming here, right? So basically, it is a heavy object. So you need some kind of overhead crane on the roof to bring it over here. Say, for example, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I have shown the two parallel, only because we'll make this one first, one one assembly line. And if we are successful, then we are going to do the second one for increasing the production. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we do not know at this point that whether this second one can be even fit or accommodated into the 50 foot by 50 foot plan that we have, right? We
Mm-hmm.
don't know yet, but suppose if we can, then we will do it. Okay. Okay. You understand so far?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now, the third slide is a little bit more complicated, right? So in the third slide, you see we have this diagram, right? Diagram of
Mm-hmm.
the concrete slab, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now there is a brown box, a brown box. That box is actually shows that it's a pallet. It's a pallet that can. Now this pallet again, it will be very special kind of palette in the sense that in that palette we will have all the different woods parts, and
Mm-hmm.
they will be designed in each location. So this palette is be coordinated, like 0 0 here, and maybe it will be 10 foot. So 10.0, and this is 0 10 x and y, and this is 10 10. Okay, axis.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will position different parts in different location, but it will be all. So the idea is the robots will know where each locate which part is, and they will go to that location and pick it up and bring it over here.
Mm.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So this designing of this is very proprietary. Okay. And it is
Mm.
not anybody should know except me at this point. Right.
Mm.
But this idea is here. It will be just a palette. Right.
Mm.
Now, this is the base of the robot arm. Right.
Mm.
Robot arm. Now, from the geometry, this is the maximum length. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so we know this is 10 foot and we wanted to do D, and we assume D is
30 inch.
D is 13 inch.
30 inch, 2.5 feet.
Yeah. Just a second. I have this, but I'm just looking at it. Where did you see it?
Oh, yeah, just in the bottom right.
Yeah, yeah. So but we are assuming, let
Yes.
we are assuming D 2.5 feet, right?
Mm-hmm.
2.5 feet. Okay. The reason that we put 2.5 feet because because we have to have some space, right? Again, we do not know if it is exactly 2.5. Maybe we need to put 3 feet, because we have not got approval from the safety department yet, right? That's the reason that
Mm.
we are drawing this thing, right?
Mm.
So, so if it is a 2.5 feet and this is 10 foot, then, and this is 10 foot, so then you can go R squared will be, um, 2D, I don't know, A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
this is
Mm.
D squared, and this is 100 squared because this is 10 plus D squared, right? 10 plus D
Mm-hmm.
squared is 100, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then the 210 is a 20, right? D,
Mm-hmm.
right? And if you solve this equation, if you put D is equal to 2.5, the 2.5 whole square is equal to 6.25, and then you add it up, then R becomes around 16 feet, right?
No. Okay. The maximum length of the robot arm would be 16 feet.
Yes, if D is
The
2.5.
Okay,
Okay.
I got it. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will talk about, okay. So if these are the things, then we decided that total is length of the building
Mm.
is 50 feet.
Mm.
So this is half, 25 feet. This
Mm.
is 10 feet. This is 2.5 feet, right?
Mm.
2.5, 10, 12. And then this is not in scale, but there'll be more room here, right? You understand what I mean?
Yes, I understand. Yes, there will be not much room because the 10 feet plus are 2.5 feet plus 2.5 feet, almost
No, this is 10.
15 feet.
No, no, this is 10 foot.
Yes, yes, 10 feet
This is
plus
2.5.
2.5 plus 2.5.
What is 2.5? What is other 2.5?
Uh, it is in the
Not
bottom.
this side.
Your okay, just upper side.
Here?
Okay. Hey,
No.
here we have 12.5 feet left. Okay.
Okay. From here to here is 25 feet, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm saying, this distance is not in scale. Okay.
I understand.
Okay.
Uh, you will have 12.5 feet.
Exactly. So it will
Uh-huh.
be another 12.5 feet over there
Mm-hmm.
on the, okay. And that's the reason that, when you draw everything in scale, it will be much
Mm.
better.
Yes,
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
And what I'm saying that we have only one entry for the which we have called the loading
Loading
deck,
zone.
loading zone.
Uh.
So it is only on the front side of the building. We can't use the uh, আমরা আসলে পেছনের দিকটা আসলে ব্যবহার করতে পারছি না, কারণ ওখানে তো স্লোপ আছে, তাই না?
Okay,
তো
okay. So I understand. Okay. So that's the reason that what I'm saying is that then what will happen is that this thing will go, then come back, and then
yes,
go,
yes.
and then go back.
আমার পুরো একটা হচ্ছে মানে 90 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেলে হচ্ছে দুটো হচ্ছে একটা ইউ টার্ন দিয়ে হচ্ছে ওই পাশে যাওয়া লাগবে, ইউ
হ্যাঁ,
টার্ন দিয়ে। আচ্ছা, ওটা আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি, আমার ওটা ড্রয়িং করা সম্ভব, ওটা ইভেন হচ্ছে আপনি ওই মানে মেকানিজম করে এটা বানিয়েও ফেলতে পারবেন, এটা এতটা কঠিন কিছু না। আমি চিন্তা করছি যে আমার কয়েকটা কোয়েশ্চেন আছে। এক হচ্ছে যে এই 10 ফিট বাই 10 ফিট যে কংক্রিট স্ল্যাব, এটা কি স্টোর করার কোনো হচ্ছে অপশন থাকবে? তাহলে হচ্ছে
We
আমাকে
have to. We have to. We
দেন
see
আমাকে
that
হচ্ছে
is your job.
কনক্রিট স্ল্যাবের হচ্ছে একটা স্টোরেজ দেখাইতে হবে।
Huh. But
কনক্রিট স্ল্যাব
okay, but
স্টোরেজ।
first of all, you have to show where the concrete slabs will be coming. So in
হুম
the entrance from the loading,
হুম
then how they're going to go to the store area, and
হুম
then from the store area, then they will come back here,
হুম।
right?
আর হচ্ছে এরপর হচ্ছে একটা হচ্ছে আমার উড স্টোরেজ থাকবে।
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Please stop. Okay.
হুম
I'm sorry. Okay. So what we have to do is that this drawing,
হুম
this is more complex. It is okay. Let, okay. So here I have given 40 feet, right? But
হুম
I think we have a 10 foot and an extra
হুম
50 foot. So
হুম।
maybe we can go here some storage area, right?
Yes, yes, we can
Okay.
have
Okay.
them.
Okay. Now the main thing is actually the height because some area, half of the building is
Mm-hmm.
1 story and half of the
Mm-hmm.
area is 2 story, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that is where I think that where we are actually building, okay, that area has to be high ceiling.
Uh, we can also follow আমরা হচ্ছে ওই যত আপনি আপনার যে গ্রিন হাউসটা থাকবে ওইটা যতটুকু হাইট হবে আমরা পুরোটা ওই সেকেন্ড ফ্লোর এবং ফার্স্ট ফ্লোরের যে মাঝে যে হাইটটা ওটা আমি শুরুতে দেখিয়েছিলাম 8 ফিট। ওটাকে আমরা ওই গ্রিন হাউসের হাইট সামান্য রাখতে পারি। এক্ষেত্রে যেটা হবে যে আমি স্টোরেজের জন্য যথেষ্ট পরিমাণ জায়গাও পাচ্ছি। আর প্লাস হচ্ছে কখনো যদি আমার ওই জায়গাটাও ব্যবহার করা লাগে তাহলে হচ্ছে আমার মেশিন মানে কোনো ধরনের মানে নড়াচড়াতে হচ্ছে একটা ফ্রি স্পেস থাকলো আর কি।
Yeah. Okay. ঠিক আছে. My main problem. What else I want to show you? Just a second. Okay. Hold on. Actually, yeah. Do you see? Do you see any screen?
Not
Hello.
really.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, I'm seeing
Okay. What do you see in my screen?
the uh, PowerPoint presentation.
Oh, same PowerPoint. Okay. Maybe I have to change it. Okay. Hold on. Just a second. Okay. Okay. My gosh. Okay. Hold on. Ugh. Mm. Please bear with me. Oh gosh. Okay. Hold on. Okay. I want to stop. Um, mm, just a second. What do you see on the screen now? Nothing?
No, same.
Same. See, I'm changing my screen. Just a second. Okay, I have to stop sharing. Okay, maybe that's why. Okay. Now what you see nothing, right?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay. Just to see if I can. Okay. That's the problem. Screen share. Enter. Now you see my entire screen, right?
Yes, the desktop.
Okay, 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 okay. All right. So now what do you see?
The robot arm.
Robot arm. Very good. Okay. That was the problem. I want to show, I should have seen you, not the particular, but the whole thing. Okay. So what happened is that they, again, I do not know whether we'll be using this particular uh, brand, right, of robot. It's called IRB 2400, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, there are many models picture you see,
Mm-hmm.
140, 220, and these models are more expensive because of bigger the size, of course, is more expensive. So
Mm-hmm.
my job, for your job, you don't have to go to the details because that's, but mainly look at, you can find out from your diagram that, the specification that I have, probably which model, either this one or this one, would be probably enough to cover the space, right?
I understand.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you to do that. Do that means you can, there are big, big, big model. I can
Mhm.
send you this product specification. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then see, the main thing is that you have to have some interest in doing that. Otherwise, people who do not like to do, you don't have to be a robot engineer. I'm not expecting you to, okay? But I expect you to,
I just need my information,
yeah.
which is concrete.
But there's a
So,
lot actually. You can. I did not read the whole thing really. I do not have time, but I understand because I'm a mechanical engineer. I had to do some long term, production before and blah blah blah. But not this particular thing, right?
mhm.
For example, that handling capacity. Handling capacity means the weight, how many kilo they can do it, right?
I don't need that information
No,
actually.
not yet. No, but if you want to become expert, oh, then
Oh, obviously, there's always, you know, should have some a keen interest in, information.
yeah, no, no, you don't. What I mean. Some people that I did not think I'll do this thing, but now I'm doing this thing because I have, I got involved, right? But
Okay.
10 years ago, I did not think that I'll do this. The robot is made up of two main. See, these are the basic in axis one, axis two, axis three,
Uh-huh.
axis four, axis five, and more you go, the more rotation. You are a science major, so you know what axis
Yeah,
is.
I have seen them a lot in the YouTube videos in the
You do.
production manage.
Yeah, exactly. So it's nothing, when you don't, I'm not expecting that you have to manage everything, but you got the idea, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So do you have any question?
I don't have any
Okay. So
about this robot.
this robot, see, they go because I give you only simple direction, one
Mm,
R, right? But
mm,
here you see they go for each rotation, each axis, they have a
mm,
different. So that's the reason that they say for each robot, for this particular 2400L model,
mm.
how much, but this is in I think it's in meter, not meter, centimeter, sorry.
A
You understand?
millimeter.
Millimeter, sorry. Yeah. How do you know? It,
3421. So you
yeah,
can't have
it'll
something
be
like 3421 centimeter. It's a huge one.
huge. It'll be 342 meter. That will be like a big football ground, right? So
And it's almost like a giant.
yeah, it'll be 34. But 34 meter is not bad. 34 meter
34
is,
meter. We should have 34-meter robots in now in recent industries. I think.
okay.
Like, we have so many crane for
No, I
the
know.
giant construction.
I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about the greenhouse. The greenhouse
Okay.
is 3 meter, right? The
Uh-huh.
10 foot, 10 foot
Mm.
is approximately 3 meter, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's 3 meter, right? So 3 meter is the 30 or 3 meter is a 300, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this model could be much bigger, probably. I don't know, because I don't think that we need this 2400L. I do, because look, I mean, I do, again, this is something that I have to spend more time. But but once you draw everything in scale, then you realize that which one is, you know, appropriate, right?
Okay. Okay.
Be- because I wish I could show you on the drawing, because the greenhouse is a 10 foot, right? Or 3 meter.
Okay.
But it
Yes.
has, but if we use a very big robot, then it cannot do the small things, right? The small area.
বাট আপনার আসলে রোবটটা কি কি কাজে ব্যবহার করা হবে সেটা হচ্ছে তো মানে ওটা তো নিশ্চয়ই হচ্ছে ঠিক করা আছে যে রোবটটা আসলে কি কাজ করবে। এক হচ্ছে সে নিশ্চয়ই হচ্ছে পোস্ট গুলো জায়গা মতো বসাবে। ইভেন সে কি
Okay,
পোস্টের
okay, hold on,
যাবতীয় যে
hold on.
ডিটেল গুলো আছে
Yeah,
সেগুলো সেই কাজগুলো করবে। তো সেই ক্ষেত্রে তো আমার হচ্ছে ওই ছোট রোবট গুলো কি আলাদা রাখা হবে না এটা দিয়েই হচ্ছে সব
no,
কাজ করা হবে?
একটাকে দিয়ে কাজ করানো উচিত। Okay, hold on. Okay, first of all, do you have any question on this diagram? Basically, why this?
আমার তো হচ্ছে মনে হচ্ছে এটা 10 ফিট, এই যে 3 3 4 2 1, এটা অলমোস্ট হচ্ছে 11 ফিট একটা মানে মেজার। এটা কি 11 ফিটটা হচ্ছে এই রোবটটা 11 ফিট এই ডায়াতে কাজ করতে পারে এরকম কিছু?
I don't understand your question. I'm sorry.
মানে এখানে হচ্ছে 3 4 2 1 মিলিমিটার, এটা তো হচ্ছে মোটামুটি 11 ফিট। এটা কি হচ্ছে ডায়া দেখানো হচ্ছে যেটা দিয়ে হচ্ছে আপনার এই
এটা
রোবটটা
হচ্ছে,
হচ্ছে
এটা 3,400 millimeter, right?
ইটস অলমোস্ট লাইক 11 ফিট।
No, it's not 11 millimeter. Centimeter is then 342 centimeter.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. 3.28 meter is equal to 1 feet. Okay, it's 10 feet something. Okay. And আমার কোয়েশ্চেন হচ্ছে যে এটা তো হচ্ছে রোবট আর্মের ডায়াটা দেখাচ্ছে সে 10 ফিট পর্যন্ত কাজ করতে পারবে, তাহলে আমাদের তো লাগছে লাস্ট কর্নার হচ্ছে 16 ফিট। সেটা কি এই রোবটের হ্যান্ড দিয়ে কি অতটা কভার করা যাবে?
Okay, you should be. I'm sorry to. I'm not angry or anything. Okay, but look, Amitabh,
হুম
I give you that information, right? You
হুম
should be able to answer that question, right?
হুম
Think about this way. If you can see my, okay, this is the base of the robot, right?
হুম
So what I measured is 16 foot, right?
হুম
16 foot is from here to the very end.
হুম
You see what I'm saying?
ইয়েস
Okay. So if these robots, if all the arms are now aligned, do you know how much it can go?
না
You have to calculate.
ওকে
That is something that, okay, because
হুম
each of them, because this robot, the one that I've given 16 foot, is
হুম
actually three-dimensional, right? It is not
হুম
going on the X side, right? If I go,
হুম
do you know what I'm talking about?
না I understand.
Okay, because this is I'm showing you only the plan, right?
হুম
Okay, but actually this R that I have calculated here is actually is a orthogonal. It is going not X, not Y, it is going X, Y, Z in three
হুম
directions, right?
হুম
You are with me.
ওকে আই এম ক্লিয়ার।
Okay. So first of all, if you really want to know if to answer your question, right? I'm trying
Mm-hmm.
to see if I can help you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So in this diagram, from here to here, what is the maximum?
10
10
feet.
foot, 10 foot,
Mm-hmm.
right? Very simple.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. From here to here, what is the maximum?
12.5.
12.5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 10 foot is approximately 3 meter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is 3. Okay, running. Okay. Okay. So anyway, 3. Okay. And then this is around a little bit more than 3 meter. So if you go to that, uh, where is my, oh no, I'm sorry. See, I lost because I don't use Zoom very much. So where is that? I think it was in the PDF file. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So here, so so this is the robot, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you see how far I can go here, maximum, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think that is if we extend the whole robot 3 arms completely, then you can add it up, right? Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So same thing you have to do if you add it up. I think, but you have to check it, my calculation. Okay. I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to send it to you. Okay. Send it to you, man. I'm going to send that book, this product specification to you so that
Okay.
you, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Anything else right now? Because I don't want to keep you because it's pretty late for you.
ওকে আচ্ছা, আমি বলছিলাম যে কনক্রিট স্ল্যাবের জন্য একটা স্টোরেজ লাগছে, আমার উড পোস্টের জন্য হচ্ছে একটা স্টোরেজ লাগছে, তারপর হচ্ছে গ্লাসের জন্য একটা স্টোরেজ লাগবে।
Amitabh, you can
হুম।
ask this question not in the Zoom meeting. Outside, we can talk about it.
ওকে।
Okay.
ওকে।
Because do you
আচ্ছা,
understand
আমি
my?
তাহলে এই এটা বুঝেছি, আপনার
Uh,
প্রক্রিয়াটা বুঝে গেছি। এই রেকর্ডিংটা হচ্ছে আমাকে পাঠিয়ে দিলে আমার কখনো হচ্ছে খটকা লাগলে আমি রেকর্ডটা দেখে ফেলতে পারবো, কোনো সমস্যা নেই। আর আমাকে হচ্ছে এই রোবটের এই পিডিএফটা পাঠিয়ে দিলে আমি আর একটু ক্লিয়ার হতাম, কিছু যদি একটু লেখাগুলো হচ্ছে পড়া যেত তাহলে আর একটু ক্লিয়ার হতাম। ওকে, আমার মনে হয় আপাতত এই ফ্লো চার্টটা হচ্ছে বোঝা হয়েছে। যদি পরবর্তীতে কোনো ধরনের সমস্যা থাকে তো আমি একটা ড্রয়িং দাঁড় করাবো, তো
mhm.
ড্রয়িং দেখে হচ্ছে আমরা দুজন মিলে ডিসকাস করতে পারবো, কোনো সমস্যা নেই।
ঠিক আছে, very good. I got it. I think I understand. Okay. You cannot. It's not an exam. You don't have to do it in one shot, right? But you
হ্যাঁ,
can.
ওকে।
Okay.
ওকে,
Okay.
উই হ্যাভ টাইম, নট
Okay.
প্ল্যান্টি বাট উই হ্যাভ টাইম।
Yeah, we have got. Okay. So main thing is that Zoom. I have this Zoom meeting so that I can explain the other thing. The main thing is this one. This one. Otherwise, it will be like just a boxes. Nobody will understand. Yeah.
No, I understand. Oh,
No, no. Now you
pretty
understand
much
because
clear.
I explained a lot, right? I have
Yes,
to.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Anything else?
Uh,
You don't need.
uh, Not this time.
Not
I will
this time.
tell.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.